Okay, hi there. So in this video, I'm going to do something that some of you may consider a bit blasphemous, and that is to use Vue in the Svelte app. I don't know why you'd want to use this, but you may want to incorporate something that Vue has that Svelte doesn't. Not sure. This is just kind of for fun also to see that you can do this if you want. And if anyone has a good reason to use this, let me know. So first thing you'll do is Npm Install View, and I already did that, so I don't need to do it. Let's see what happens if I do it anyway. Okay, that doesn't matter. So you npm install Vue, and then in your app, you're going to import Vue from, and you're going to have to do the direct path. So node modules / Vue / dist / Vue.js, like that. So that'll import it for you. And I'm going to start the server now. Another thing you're going to need to do is import on mount from Svelte so that we can start up our Vue app. Okay, for some reason, it says my 5,000. Oh, and I do have a Patreon if you want to become one. Okay, so it says hello Svelties, that's all for now. So we import on mount, and then on mount we're going to start the Vue instance. Okay, so to do that, var Vue app equals new Vue, like this. And then the element will be the target, so we're going to put it down here. We'll call it id equals Vue app. So the target is, or the element is Vue-app. And then if we have any data, you can pass that there. So maybe our data, well, we'll just have no data for now. Okay, so that'll initialize it. And I guess we should put some data in it so that we can see it working. So I'll call this greeting is, hey Vue. I don't know what Vue people are called. Vue. Okay, and then we need to put that in here. So to pass the greeting of hey Vue data, you need to kind of trick Svelte and trick Vue to getting this into the HTML. So this will be interpreted by Svelte as JavaScript, and this will just be a string. So then it'll render this right here, which Vue will then look at and say, oh, greeting, I have a greeting. So it'll put hey Vue into there. So that's one way, that's how you can, for the Vue instance, get that into Svelte. So this is how it should look then. So with the greeting hey Vue passed into there. Okay, so you can just use it like normal then. Well, not completely normal, but kind of normal. Okay, the other thing you can do is a Vue component. So you'll name your Vue component awesome Vue component. And then here you'll pass it the, there'll be a data function, and there'll be a template. Oops. And this Vue component has to go inside a Vue instance, so you can't use it outside of Vue-app. All right, wherever you put that. So template, let's say the template is a button, and v-on click equals click ++. I'm just kind of copying what I saw on the tutorial webpage, since I haven't used Vue very much. And this will be the click. Okay, and then the function is going to return click, which is 0. So I'm not sure how this works exactly, but awesome Vue, we'll call it awesome Vue button. Okay, and this is how you name your Vue components generally, I believe. If you use Vue more, just correct me if I say anything wrong. So here, oh, what's it called again? Well, it is awesome Vue button. So we can put our awesome Vue button right here. Okay, let's save that and see if that works. So here, hello Svelties, hey Vue. Cool, so you click it. So these are both Vue components in our Svelte, and that's how you do it. Okay, bye.